You don't want to break the bank when you're getting your roof replaced, but you also want to be careful not to go with the cheapest price when you're choosing a contractor to replace your roof. Today in this video, we're going to go over 4 of the risks that you'll be taking if you go with that cheapest price. You get the quality that you pay for. By going with the cheapest price for getting your roof replaced, you could possibly be getting substandard labor because somewhere in that price they're going to have to cut to get that price down, and one of those places they're going to cut it is by using much cheaper labor. The cheaper the labor, the less they're going to have their hearts in making sure that your job is done properly. You'll pay more in the long run. Hiring a cheap contractor or going with the cheapest price can possibly cost you double in the long run, because if your roof is not put on properly, it shortens the lifespan of it, and you're going to have to get it replaced a lot sooner than you would have if you had paid that little extra to get it installed properly. Some of the short-term problems that you might have to deal with if you go with the cheapest price is that first rain, you could possibly have a leak. Or that first windstorm, you could possibly have shingles that blow off if they weren't nailed properly. So those are just a couple of the minor items that could happen if you go with the cheapest price. Your roof warranty options are going to be limited. The 2 warranties that you get with your roof is a manufacturer's warranty on the materials, and then your workmanship warranty from the contractor that installs your roof. Your workmanship warranty is provided by the contractor that you hire to put your roof on, and if you use a cheap contractor or go with the cheapest price, they possibly won't be in business if there's a problem, or they might not answer the phone when you call them, or they might just avoid you altogether. And another thing to look for, if you're getting that cheapest price, look at the length of the workmanship warranty. If you're only getting a 1-year or a 3-year warranty or even a 5-year warranty on workmanship, that means that they're not standing behind their work for the life of the materials. So the workmanship on the materials just covers the materials themselves. If they were installed improperly, it voids the manufacturer's warranty, and it could possibly even void an insurance claim because the shingles weren't installed properly. And if, let's say we have a windstorm and the shingles blow off and they weren't installed properly, you don't have a roof claim with your insurance company. You have a claim with that contractor that gave you that cheapest price. So to sum this up, both warranties can be affected by hiring a cheap contractor. You can void a manufacturer's warranty by an improper installation, and your workmanship warranty is going to be much less than if you hired a reputable contractor that gives you a fair price. Your roof may not reach its full lifespan. To get that cheapest price, there's got to be a corner cut somewhere. We all pay the same for our materials. They're either going to cut cost on their labor, or somewhere they've got to cut the cost. That's going to affect the life of the roof if they cut the cost on the labor, because you're not going to get a properly installed roof. That's probably one of the first things to look for, is how long is that contractor going to stand behind their work if they're giving you the cheapest price. To make sure that you hire the right contractor for you, download our list of questions, and if the contractor can answer those questions correctly, then you've chosen the right contractor. I'm Bill Ragan, and remember, if a customer of mine has a problem, then I have a problem.